looks like it's about 1/4 inch. I have that. There we go. Just 2 bolts holding it on. There we go. And there's a small wire underneath. Go ahead and just pull that off. I have no idea, but I'm assuming this is a ground wire. There we go. Might be totally wrong, and if so, somebody can comment on it. I like comments. Okay. There we go. The old Magneto. 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 Now, unless there's something melted inside here, or the connection looks good. This could probably just be scrubbed up real well. Use a wire brush and I don't know, some brake parts cleaner or something, and get all that rust off so that there's good contact once again between the Magneto. And once again, somebody can comment on this and tell me what that's called. But basically, when you pull the cord on your mower, it spins that creates a magnetic charge, which sends down the spark plug wire to the spark plug, which ignites the gasoline and then continues the spinning. So that's the gist of what I know about small engines. Not much. Okay, so that's the old part. You can tell the new part is all nice and shiny, no rust. That's what they look like next to each other. And it appears that I'll have to take this boot housing off of this Magneto wire to place on this, because the new part did not come with that. So I'm going to figure that out real quick, and then we'll reassemble everything. Oh, and there is Kitty Girl. She goes by many names, but Kitty Girl is one of them. Hello. Yes. Okay. Put you right back up here. There we go.